Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. I'm going to talk about why I think Cardano could really take off next month and maybe even hit $3 because I'm just looking at Binance Smart Chain and what it's done to Binance price, and I'm now way more bullish on Cardano than I have been because just looking at like the rate that BSC has taken on Ethereum DeFi, I think Cardano can definitely do the same because like we know that Gogol's coming out next month. We know more than Gogol, Mary's coming out this month with a fork, and smart contracts, liquid, the ERC20 converter, it's all going to be in session soon, probably within a month or two from now. And you look at the total value locked in DeFi from Binance Smart Chain, $8.846 billion locked in Binance Smart Chain for DeFi. That has gone up by nearly $2 billion in the last 2 days that I've actually checked. Every time I check, it goes up. So like, I think it's going to quickly catch Ethereum in terms of locked, or at least get pretty close to Ethereum. And do I think Cardano can do the same thing as Binance? Yes, once everything is in place. And the thing is, Cardano's actually decentralized, whereas Binance I don't actually think is. But I don't think that matters for most investors, but there will be some investors who will trust Cardano more than Binance Smart Chain. And this is the same goes for Polkadot. And plus they will have the ERC20 converter, which will actually help projects come over. Now, as a side note, these projects won't leave Ethereum, but they'll make their own version on Cardano. Venus is basically Binance's version of Maker, and I'm pretty sure Cardano's going to have a version as well. And there's going to be like a Binance version of 1inch, and I'm pretty sure that Cardano is going to have one as well. So based on this, I think Cardano will be as successful as Binance Smart Chain in getting the DeFi, if not more successful. Charles is talking about a lot of projects actually coming over, and Liquid is actually generating a lot of FOMO. I mean, not a lot of FOMO, but Liquid is actually generating quite a bit of news. That's Liquid Exchange. That's going to be the DEX for Cardano. I think I will actually buy some like pre-sale tokens on Liquid because I think that's when I'm actually going to come into DeFi with Cardano's DeFi, because I do think like people will probably prefer Cardano DeFi over Binance DeFi, even though I think both will actually do very well. I think Cardano can get several billion locks. So for me, the time to jump in to like the Cardano exchange is probably at the beginning, and I'm going to get in as soon as possible, spending my Cardano if need be. I mean, I lost most of the Cardano, but thanks to donations, I have a couple hundred left, and I'm probably going to use that for Cardano DeFi, plus maybe some of the BAT. Although I don't really want to move the BAT because the ERC20 tokens, the ERC20 fee is so horrible. Might think about selling a couple of other assets to actually get back more Cardano so I can play with the Cardano DeFi in Liquid. And there's another angle you have to think about this. Right now, about 70% of the Cardano coins are actually locked with staking. I'm not really sure if you can actually provide liquidity for DeFi and stake at the same time. I don't think you can. Now, correct me if I'm wrong on this, but I know there's going to be a lot of people that are interested in Cardano DeFi, so they're going to take that out of staking and to provide liquidity for Cardano DeFi. And you know what that means? That means staking. That actually means staking rewards are going to go up, definitely, because less people that are staking, less people, the more each person's value is. So if we have 30 or 40% of the people choose to provide liquidity for Cardano, choose to provide liquidity for Cardano over like actual staking on the network, the staking rewards could go up by 30%. So I think the increased staking rewards might actually entice more people to actually come in. So there's several angles that you can actually take at this. We know that Cardano is going to have its own oracle. Might actually use Chainlink as well, but I know they're going to have their own oracle, and it's going to be made by Wolfram Alpha, which is a very reputable company, as well as many new features. Not really sure when all this is going to come to be, but it's going to be within the next 2 months. So I'm very bullish, and seeing how Binance Smart Chain has really increased in locked value, I am sure that Cardano DeFi can get billions, if not tens of billions, locked very quickly. And I can see a doubling or tripling of Cardano that way, just like how Binance has massively grown up to the number 3 crypto now. And I think Cardano can overtake Binance again, claim that position, and we could be looking at $3-4 Cardano just based on the DeFi, because we've seen how much DeFi has pumped Binance. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.